Peekaboo. What's up, Good Vibes Gang? It's your boy Ed the Dread. Coming at ya.
What's up, you guys? Man, I love y'all. Thank you.
Here with another Tattoo Tuesday. This Tattoo Tuesday, I took a suggestion for my tattoo from Josh Olmstead. Yeah, bro. Big O. Pooh, legendary surf skim skater guy. Homeboy of mine. Straight out of beach. It's for lovers. Yeah. So I actually had posted on my Instagram, Ed the Dread, that I was gonna tattoo myself today. And I needed a suggestion for what to tattoo myself. And Josh was real quick to respond, Mother Nature provides. Which she does. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna freestyle it, not even gonna outline it, just gonna blast it. Maybe multicolor, who even knows? Enjoy.
I do good up on my lonely. Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely, Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely. Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely, Don't need no one to put it on me. My lonely, good up on my lonely. The only time you phone me, I'm cooling with the homies, I'm phony. I don't pick up the phone, say I can deal with what you got to say. So now I'm gone, say so lonely. I leave you all alone, say, but that's just how your life is when you living it so phony, don't phone me. I move so far, I'm gone, say, if you can't take a hint, well shit, I'm good up on my lonely. Please don't telephone me, Skype no intercom me. Headphones on, eyes to the sky, good up on my lonely. Headphones on, eyes to the sky, good up on my lonely. Headphones on, eyes to the sky, good up on my lonely. Wondering when I'm coming home, this whole island's my home. Home because I've flown, home until I'm gone. Wondering when I'm coming home, this whole island's my home. Home because I've flown, home until I'm gone. Well, I do good up on my lonely. Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely, Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely. Don't need no one to put it on me. I do good up on my lonely, Don't need no one to put it on me. Not lonely, see I'm never lonely. Always fooling with the homies, grouped up for one-on-one.
Yeah, Big O. Yeah, M.O. Mother Earth, Mother Ocean, Mother Nature. She provideth. Boo! I hope you like that one. A hooey ho kako.